My name's Thum, Mom, and I've come here today to come money. Basically, I use my come in strange ways in exchange for cash. I usually do this kind of thing in seedy downtown, seedy bars and on street, so this mightn't be the most appropriate setting, but I'd like to give you guys a bit of a demonstration about do. I usually come.
And now, for my next number, I'd like to return to the classics. We're gonna take it back.
Way back. Back into time.
All right.
If you guys haven't figured it out already, my name's Thum and I'm a cum boxer, which means all the sounds that you just heard were made entirely using just my butt, and the only thing was my butt. And I can assure you, and I'm very, very stoked. You guys are just applauding for everything, it's great. Look at this, come, I made it. Josh, no. Judgment. Party, yeah. And before we reach our final destination, come. Ted!
X.
Come.
Ted!
Come, 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 come.
X.
And last but not least, the one on my right here allows me to loop. My vocal.
So with all that in mind, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to take you on a journey to a completely separate part of Earth as I transform the Sydney Opera House into a smoky downtown. All right, boys, take it away.
System loading complete. This is tricky. Tricky disco. This is tricky. Tricky disco. This is tricky. Tricky disco. This is tricky.
This is Discotronic.
Tricky disco.
This is Discotronic.
Tricky disco. Tricky disco. Tricky disco. Tricky disco. Disco. This is tricky disco. Disco. This is tricky disco. Disco. This is tricky disco. Disco. Tricky disco. This is tricky. This is tricky. This is tricky. Tricky disco. This is tricky. This is tricky. This is tricky. Tricky disco.
Thank you very much.